So I'm sitting in my couch, and I'm just like feeling, I need to get back out there. I need to practice again, you know, like to get the chops up and all that stuff, whatever. Because I totally stopped practicing the whole cascara clave left foot thing that I became known for, and all the independent stuff, you know, the multi-pedal stuff and everything, all that stuff. Because of my interaction with Billy Ward and an article that I read from Vinny Colaiuta, which we can go into that if you like. But it's very pivotal, and I think it still today holds some serious weight. And I sat down, and it was as if God said, yo, shut up. Calm down. Because I'm sitting in that sofa, and I'm saying, I need to get my knee mic out there, this, that, whatever. And once again, the same, you know, where 2 years prior, a voice said, what are you going to do now, holy boy? A voice now is saying, go to the pantry. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Don't go to the pantry. Look up. So I'm sitting on the sofa, and I look up, and there's a 15-foot vaulted ceiling in the apartment that my wife and I were living at that time. 15 foot. Yeah, it was a luxury apartment that we were living in. And the ceiling fan is just there. And I get it. It's like, I got a roof over my head. Go to the pantry. Went to the pantry, opened it, full stack, top to bottom. Opened the refrigerator, full. Takes me to the bedroom. I open a door, and there's Melissa sleeping, taking a nap. And he says, I have a roof over your head. You have a roof over your head. You have food in the pantry. You have food in the refrigerator. And you have a wife that's able to sleep at peace because you're handling your business. So come at me again. Where do you measure success?
Exactly.
The fact that you are well known and famous, or the fact that you have peace